In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a services calendar on GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional service booking calendar that clients can use to reserve time with the right person at the right duration with a link that's easy to share. Start by signing in and heading to your GoHighLevel dashboard. From there, look down to the bottom left and click Settings. This is where all the foundational pieces of your account live, and it's the quickest route to the tools we need for scheduling. Inside Settings, find Calendars on the left-hand side. Click that to open your calendar management area. This page shows any calendars you've already set up and is also where you'll create new ones. Click New Calendar to begin. You'll see options for different calendar setups. Choose Explore More types so you can access templates beyond the basic meeting calendars. From the list, select Service Booking. This option is designed for businesses that offer defined services and need clients to choose a specific service, provider, and time slot. Now let's configure the details. First, type in your service name, keep it clear and client-friendly. Think in terms of what someone would immediately understand, like initial consultation, full service detail, or onboarding session. If you offer multiple versions of a service, include what makes this one unique, such as the level, location, or scope. Next, select the staff member who will deliver this service. Assigning the right person ensures bookings respect that person's availability and integrate with their connected calendars. If several team members can perform the same service, you can add each of them in their own calendars later for better load balancing, but for now, pick the primary staff member. Set the custom URL. This becomes the shareable link to your booking page, so make it short, readable, and on brand. Use lowercase words and hyphens, avoid special characters, and aim for something memorable like your brand plus the service name. A clean URL helps when sending links and emails or adding them to buttons on your website. Choose the service duration. This controls how long each appointment blocks on the calendar. Match the duration to the real work required, and consider your typical prep and wrap-up time when deciding. You can fine-tune this later if you notice you consistently need more or less time. When everything looks good, click Confirm. Your service booking calendar is now created and ready to use. From here, you can share the link with clients or add it to your site, and you can always come back to adjust the name, provider, URL, or duration as your services evolve.